this video, we will explore the types of 3D printing. There are at least 10 different types of processes for 3D printing. In this video, we will describe 3 different types. Fused deposition modeling, or FDM, is one type of 3D printing. This is how the Lulzbot Mini 2 3D printers in the makerspace work. And in fact, it's the most common and most inexpensive type of 3D printing you can find today. You start with a spool of filament. The filament is usually plastic, especially for desktop and hobbyist machines, and can come in different types such as ABS, PLA, and many more. The filament feeds through an extruder head, which heats up to at least 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The machine extrudes filament layer by layer, slowly constructing the object. In some machines, such as the Lulzbot Mini 2, the build plate is heated as well to ensure adhesion, but not all FDM printers have a heated print bed. Stereolithography is one of the earliest forms of 3D printing. It was developed by Charles W. Hull in 1988. With SLA, the printer uses a tank full of liquid resin. A laser fires into the resin to harden the plastic layer by layer. Material jetting uses a container of liquid material such as wax or photopolymers, a type of plastic that hardens when exposed to light, and lays down the material layer by layer onto a build plate where it hardens. Material jetting is similar to inkjet printing, except instead of printing a single layer of ink, multiple layers are built upon each other to create a solid part. Click the link below this video to learn about 8 more types of 3D printing.